How to fix Uber app background check issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Uber's background check issue. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is simply open up a web browser and search for Uber background check issue. After you've done that, you will see help.uber.com's website here that says disputing a background check report. Tap on that. After you tap on that, you can then head over to this page. You will be on this page right here. And there you can see if you find mistake or incomplete details on a background check report, follow these dispute errors to dispute the errors. So right here to dispute, you'll need to visit this website right here. So tap on this button. And after you tap on here, you will be on this page. So this is the candidate portal for checker where you can dispute your background check issue. So here you will need to type in your phone number. And after you do that, type in your email address, then your social security number, then your date of birth, and select a date, and then select a year. Doing that, you can then get a status of your background check report. And after that, if you're facing any issue there, you can then again dispute it right there. So you can type in what's wrong with that, and you can write a mail or something like that where you can contact the support. And doing that, your problem will get fixed over time by contacting with the support. And that's basically how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.